Hi guys, so I got a trade package today, and I also got a really exciting package besides this one and another small one, but due to some issues I cannot upload that video just yet because I'm waiting for replies with the seller. Yeah, so I'm just going to open this one. And this was a trade with one YouTuber. I hope I can cut it here. And so it's stuck. So yeah, SUHO card. I got the Nature Public card. Oh, here he is. He gave me a lot of freebies. Let's see. So here's the card, and she taped it really nicely. So yeah, I traded my Tao Nature Public card for SUHO since I'm not collecting Tao anymore, and yeah, I collect SUHO. So here it is. Finally, yeah, I got this card, and now I've completed my SUHO collection, and also with that all my members collections. I'm really happy for that. I'm not too sure if this is like Korean original press, but I think this should be, I don't know, it has a small speck there, but I'm not sure. I will compare with the other cards, but anyway, he looks really nice. And yeah, so I got a lot of freebies too, so let's see. I think we'll open here. So her small little notes, and I got a lot of cute K-pop notes and some other notes. And Chris. So I got some photocards as well. And this is like a small Polaroid. This is really cute. I saw this on eBay, and this is actually pretty thick. I really like this one. Thank you, Chris. And one of these, and also Polaroid. The texture is different. It's more like paper, while this has a plastic film over it. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. So thank you so much for trading with me. I read your note, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I really enjoyed trading with you. Oh, there he is. Yeah, so thank you for the card, and I hope you will get yours soon. And to everyone who's watching, thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.